You're scrolling through Instagram, liking posts, following people, and suddenly this pops up. Action blocked. You can't like, you can't comment, you can't even follow anyone. Instagram has basically locked you out. Don't panic. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix this and make sure it never happens again. First, let's understand why Instagram blocks you in the first place. There are 6 main reasons. Number 1, too many likes or follows in a short time. If you're liking 50 posts in 2 minutes, Instagram thinks you're a bot. Number 2, using third-party apps like autofollowers or schedulers that violate Instagram's terms. Number 3, posting too frequently. Number 4, mass DMs or spamming comments. Number 5, other users reported your account. And number 6, your IP address got flagged as suspicious, usually from a VPN or shared Wi-Fi. Now let's fix it. 6 methods, starting with the easiest. Fix number 1, clear your app cache. If you're on Android, go to settings, then apps, find Instagram, .pap storage, and hit clear cache. You'll see it's probably eating up hundreds of megabytes. That cached data can cause all sorts of glitches, including action blocks. If you're on iPhone, there's no direct clear cache option. Instead, delete the Instagram app completely, then reinstall it from the App Store. This wipes all cached data and gives you a fresh start. Don't worry, your account, posts, and followers are all safe on Instagram servers. Fix number 2, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Open your control center, turn off Wi-Fi, and turn on cellular data. Why does this work? Because if Instagram blocked your IP address, switching to mobile data gives you a completely different IP. This alone fixes the action block for about 40% of people. Fix number 3, link your Facebook account. Go to Instagram settings, then Account Center. You'll see the Meta logo. Tap Add Facebook Account and connect it. This proves to Instagram's algorithm that you're a real person, not a bot. Linked accounts get verified identity status faster on blocks, and you can cross-post too. Fix number 4, and this is the one most people miss. When you see the action block pop up, always tap Tell Us. Never tap OK. Tapping OK just dismisses the pop-up and does nothing, but tapping Tell Us sends your appeal directly to Instagram's review team. They'll review your account and often lift the block within hours. Fix number 5, sometimes you just need to wait. Here's how long action blocks typically last. A temporary block clears in 1 to 24 hours. A standard block takes 24 to 48 hours. An extended block can last 1 to 2 weeks, and a permanent block requires a formal appeal. Here's the critical part. Do not try the blocked action during cooldown. If you try to like or follow while blocked, it resets the timer back to 0. Just leave the app alone for a day. Fix number 6, enable 2-factor authentication. Go to Settings, Security, 2-factor authentication. Turn on Authentication app. That's the recommended option. Also turn on text message as a backup. Accounts with 2-factor auth are flagged as more trustworthy by Instagram's system, which means you're less likely to get blocked in the future. Now let's make sure this never happens again. Follow these 8 rules. Follow maximum 20 people per hour, like maximum 50 posts per hour. Don't use automation bots, ever. Wait at least 2 minutes between actions. Don't mass DM strangers. Keep your app updated to the latest version. Use the official Instagram app only, no modded versions. And keep 2-factor authentication enabled. Follow these 6 fixes and your action block will be gone. You'll go from that frustrating error pop-up to a perfectly working Instagram feed. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Quadrobits for more fix guides every week. Drop a comment below if your action block is fixed. I read every single one. See you in the next video.